We have a special guest dancer on Playschool today. This is Pepsi.
Hello.
What dance are you going to teach us today, Pepsi?
It's called Gumboot Dance, and it goes like this. Hey!
Wow! Wow, the Gumboot Dance is amazing! Where does it come from?
It's from South Africa. It was created by the miners as a way of communicating underground, where they were not allowed to speak. My father was a miner, and he did the Gumboot Dance.
Wait, so they used to talk to each other using the Gumboot Dance? How?
They created sounds and rhythms by clapping, stomping, and hitting the gumboot.
Wow. Well, do you reckon you can teach us the Gumboot Dance?
Okay, first you will need the gumboots.
Okay, well, I've got some gumboots.
Okay.
Do you have any gumboots at home? Yeah? Do you want to try the Gumboot Dance with us? Okay. Well, let's put on one gumboot. Let's get the other gumboot. And on. Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Let's go. Feet apart.
Feet apart.
Warm your hands.
Warm your hands.
We start with this leg and
Okay.
this hand. So hit, stomp.
Okay. Clap, stamp.
The other one, hit, stomp.
Okay. Clap, stamp.
Very good. Okay, again. Hit, stomp, hit, stomp.
Okay. Hit, stamp, hit, stamp.
Very
Like that?
good.
Did you
Yes.
get it? Okay.
Second one, hit, stomp, hit, stomp.
Oh, okay, I'll try.
Okay.
Clap, clap, stamp, clap.
Yes.
Let's try that one more time.
Okay.
So. Oh, okay, I think I got it. How about we try and put it all together?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try.
Okay.
And clap, stamp, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap.
Stamp.
Oh, and stamp. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
One more time.
Okay.
Clap, stamp, clap, stamp, clap, clap, stamp, clap. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let's do it faster.
Okay.
Okay, ready? You ready? Let's go. And claps, claps, claps. Oh. One more time. Okay, now even faster. 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 Can you go faster? Come on, you go faster. Whoa, whoa, come on, faster. Whoa, faster. Oh. How about you? Did you do it right? Because I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Well, thank you for helping us with the Gumboot Dance.
My pleasure. Bye, Hunter. Bye.